What if music could tell us a story through data? Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share my Spotify Analytical dashboard. I have been working on this project for the last 3 days, and honestly, my sleep schedule can prove it. But this wasn't just about making some charts. I wanted to build complete analytical experience from raw data to meaningful insights completely from scratch. So let me show you what I built. But before jumping into the dashboard, the real work started with the data. I first transformed and prepared the dataset, cleaned the dataset, handled duplicate and null values, added calculated columns, and also merged columns wherever required. I also created fields specially to make the dashboard more useful and interactive. And for this calculation, I built multiple DAX measures for KPIs, rankings, comparison, trends, and dynamic visuals. So yeah, the dashboard you see is not just pretty interface, there's quite a lot happening behind it. Now let's start with the Spotify overview. I designed the complete structure of this dashboard based on my own thinking, from the layout and the card placement to the visual hierarchy and overall Spotify theme. At the top, we have the key KPIs like total tracks, total streams, total artists, average streams per track, billion streams track. Then we move into the actual story. Top artist by streams tells us who is dominating the dataset. Then stream distribution shows how tracks are spread across different streaming categories. Then also streams by release year shows how streaming performance has changed over time. Finally, the top 10 tracks gives the biggest streaming performance. So this page answers a simple question: who is performing, what is performing, and how much. Now let's make it more interactive. Welcome to the Artist and Track Explorer. Here users can explore the complete track list with the cover images, track names, and artists, and search through the collection. When I select a song, the dashboard dynamically updates the current playing section. For instance, let me show you. Whenever I click on this, so the track details and the image is updated dynamically. Then we have energy, danceability, and balance using gauges, giving us a quick understanding of the song's audio profile. And the top 5 streams gives us the another quick comparison. Let me show you. Also, we can filter the data through the filters like release year and artist name. And yeah, this overall page answers what I'm listening to and what does the data tell about it. Also, we can use sidebar as navigation through pages. And finally, let's go deeper into the pattern, music, and platform analysis. Here we analyze release year performance and compare playlist presence across Spotify, Deezer, and Apple. The average stream trends helps us understand how streaming performance changes over time. Then comes one of my favorite visual, energy versus danceability, where we can explore the relationship between these two characteristics. And finally, the audio profile summarizes characteristics like liveness and BPM, valence and speechness, acousticness, and instrumentalness. So overall, this page answers what patterns are hiding behind the music. And one thing I want to mention, I didn't follow any YouTube tutorial to build this dashboard. The design, structure, visual selection, and overall storytelling were based on my own thinking and experimentation. I did use AI as learning assistants mainly to understand concepts, troubleshoot DAX errors, and explore better ways to implement ideas, but the decision and final dashboard were mine. And trust me, there were plenty of problems: broken images URLs, DAX errors, formatting issues, sliced behaving unexpectedly, and yes, 3 late nights. But every problem taught me something. I learned that Power BI isn't just about building charts, it's about turning data into a story. And my favorite takeaway is, don't just build a dashboard, build an experience. So this is my Spotify Analytical dashboard built completely from scratch. So thanks for watching. I would love to hear feedback and suggestions.